In this video, I'm going to show you how to zoom the timeline in DaVinci Resolve 20 quickly and easily. If you've ever felt like your clips are too close together, too far apart, or just hard to work with, this simple workflow will help you get a much better editing view in seconds. This is one of those small editing skills that can save you a lot of time, especially when you're making precise cuts, trimming clips, or working on a longer project. And before we get started, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy DaVinci Resolve tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, go to the edit page in DaVinci Resolve 20. This is where you'll spend most of your time working on your timeline, so it's the best place to control how your clips are displayed. Once you're on the edit page, look down at the bottom of the timeline area. You'll see the zoom controls there, and this is where you can start adjusting how much of the timeline you can see at once. The easiest way to zoom in and out is by using the plus and minus icons. Click the plus icon to zoom in closer on your timeline, which makes clips appear larger and gives you a better view for detailed editing. This is especially useful when you need to make accurate cuts or line up audio and video precisely. If you want to zoom back out, click the minus icon. That will compress the timeline view so you can see more of your project at once. If you want a more flexible adjustment, use the zoom slider right next to those controls. Just drag the slider to the left or right to change the timeline view smoothly. Moving it one way will zoom you in for finer control, while moving it the other way will zoom you out for a wider overview. This is a great option when you want more control than just tapping the plus and minus buttons. Next, click the drop-down next to the zoom controls. This menu gives you even more viewing options for your timeline. If you choose detail, DaVinci Resolve will zoom in so you can see finer edits more clearly. This is ideal when you're working on small cuts, transitions, or precise clip adjustments. If you need to see your entire sequence inside the timeline window, choose full extent. That will fit the whole timeline into view, which is really helpful when you want a broad overview of your project from start to finish. If you want to go back to your earlier zoom setting, select Custom. This option restores your previous zoom level, which makes it easy to return to the view you were using before switching modes. It's a simple but very useful feature when you're jumping between detailed work and a wider timeline overview. There's also a super fast shortcut you can use. Hold Alt and scroll your mouse wheel to zoom quickly in the timeline. This method is great if you want to make rapid adjustments without moving your cursor down to the zoom controls every time. It's one of the fastest ways to navigate your timeline once you get used to it. To move across the timeline, use the scroll bar. This helps you travel left and right through your clips without changing your zoom level. If your project is long and you need to find a specific section, the scroll bar makes it much easier to navigate through the timeline efficiently. As you adjust everything, keep zooming until your clips are clearly visible for editing. The goal is to find the balance that works best for the task in front of you. If you're doing detailed trimming, zoom in more. If you're checking the overall structure of the project, zoom out to get a broader view. Once you get comfortable with these controls, editing in DaVinci Resolve becomes much smoother and faster. And that's how to zoom the timeline in DaVinci Resolve 20. It's a simple trick, but it can make a huge difference in your editing workflow. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and let me know in the comments what DaVinci Resolve feature you want to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.